Hey everybody, it's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. People are asking how the snow is affecting us here, and I'm in Gaylord. I'm at the office where the shop is. We had nothing in Lewiston. It was quiet in Lewiston today. A little dusting at the house, but as we got near to Gaylord, it was insane. We were pushing snow with the bumper of the Jeep in places. It was drifted over. All the side roads in Gaylord are trashed. I'm steaming up the window. Look here. Can you see that? This is outside the window. This is the door. The snow is up almost to the base of the door. Right here, outside the window. It is crazy. The storm hit fast and hard out here. If I get a chance tonight, if I think of it and have my camera on hand, I'll probably run out and do some recording. My battery's dead, so I'm going to have to charge it up. I don't know if it's going to show up here. Can you see anything out here? It's all white. The snow is rising. I wish you could see it. The snow is rising above the level of the window. I just can't see if you can see that on camera or not. It is coming down hard. It's over here. You probably can't see out the window. Well, maybe you can. It's really, really high. It's all building up right here by the window of our office. And it's deep. Really bad. I can't wait to go out on the streets later on and see what it looks like out there, but we are getting hit. They said we were only going to get flurries, but we're getting it hard. People are still driving though. I haven't seen any snowplows, but I'm not watching full time. But a lot of cars can't make it out on these streets right now. Well, I've charged up my battery. Meanwhile, that snow, I don't know if that's going to show up. Do you see the snow? It's above the window. It's way above the level of the window. That's pretty crazy. Actually, there's big machines pushing snow out there right now. It is crazy out there. Actually, you can see, just since they've plowed earlier, there's quite a bit of snow. Around the Jeep, it's ankle deep. I had to go outside for a minute. It's ankle deep out around the Jeep. But where you get the big snow piling up is the drifting, which is what we have here. Just can't tell until I edit this video if that's showing up. That's halfway up my window. That has never been like this before. So it's snowing and blowing, and the blowing is what's causing the trouble today. It'll be interesting to see what we get by the end of the day. Well guys, we're leaving work. There's new snow in the tracks that people have made. That's not so bad. There's drifts. There's some drifts that are pretty bad. It's white on white. I can't see a thing out here. Melanie's gonna record. I'll only cut out and keep the useful stuff. Melanie's gonna take the camera and we're gonna go and look and see what it looks like right now. If the snowplows did a job out here now, yeah, it looks like they did. Whoa. You can see it drifting back in again though. You can see they've plowed and it's drifting back in.
No, it's because of the wind.
Yeah, I know. Anyway. I'll tell you later on what drifting is, Melanie.
Oh. Well, drifting is drifting. What do you say?
It's from the wind. Look over here. You can see it was pretty bad. You missed it. You can see it was pretty bad earlier. I don't dare back up again. The side roads, yeah, this one will definitely have been plowed. There's some bad drifts on the side roads, but they've plowed it. Here, you can see how high this drift was. Here, Melanie. You can see how high the snowdrift was. Yeah. That's on the road right there. Here, look at how high it was today. They're scraping it. Wow, we're in the middle of a big storm, aren't we? Wow. They got it pretty good cleared up, but it's really snowing. Yeah. Hey, Michelle's excited. Yeah. She's shaking her, waving her hands in excitement. Well, guys, we were supposed to get some flurries. Just some snow flurries. Oh, look at him swinging. Did you see that?
No.
That truck and trailer was swinging back and forth on the road. You can turn up the fan. Well, we got it in four-wheel drive now for safety. It was a little bit slippery. It's all white. White on white. Wow.
The weirdest thing is, this camera is really good that it's not.
It's not showing the snow?
Yeah.
Isn't that funny? Well, our eyes can barely see. Right, Melanie? It's just pure white on white right now. It's incredible out here. We're in a bad snowstorm. Here it's not as bad as in town. But it always seems to clear up a bit outside town. Well, we're on the home stretch, and as I thought, we didn't get much snow out our way. That's weird, but we don't get as much as Gaylord. But that's good, it means I don't have to shovel that much. We'll see you at home and see what it looks like there. Well, that's nothing. Unbelievable. That's nothing. Big difference from Gaylord to here. It's coming down, but it's not amounting to anything. Well, guys, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project and DIY2 Video. Check it out, guys. They're there in cryptocurrency for all your activities on there. The day is done. We're going to go in and have family night. Talk to you all later.